Hi friends, this is Ashwini Sendil Kumaran. I am a biology teacher for past 10 years and I am working in a reputed institution as a biology teacher, and I am also giving training for the NEET students for past 5 years. So here this is my first YouTube channel, Biology in Your Fist. Here I am going to explain all the A to Z biological concepts in a simple terms. So this channel, it is exclusively meant for biology, and it is available both in Tamil as well as in English language. So this video is about what are all the things I'm going to focus on this channel, what are all the videos I'm going to upload in future. So the main aspect of this channel is I'm going to teach you all the basic concepts of biology in detail, and also in this channel we are going to deal with all board syllabuses, state board, NCERT, ICSE, okay, and all our conceptual basis of teaching will help you to clear the NEET examination, right? And the speciality of this channel is your queries will be cleared in detail. If needed, we'll be provide separate video classes for the mandatory topics. All your queries will be clarified then and there based on your comments. If there is any problem with my teaching or problem with my sharing of my views about biology, you feel free to give comment on my video. So I'm very well accepting the comments given by you. So it will be useful for me to correct myself in my upcoming videos, right? So this channel, I'm not going to work as a teacher, as a friend, as a co-partner. I like to share what are all the views I know about biology in detail with you. So if you have any queries or any details you want to get clarified, you can feel free to ask me in your comments, right? So here we are here to just engage your minds and shape your future. So come on, let's just join our hands to let explore the world of biology. Thank you. Thank you for your support.